Uh-oh. So 20 years Festool North America Emerald Edition OF 1400. So let's see what's inside. This is not part of it because this is something that I ordered extra. And what you get is router, power cord. This is really what you get extra from the regular package. You get the guide, dust collection, another piece for dust collection, manuals, another piece for dust collection, connection for bushings, a wrench, and the two rods. The other two things that are in here, and I just didn't notice because they almost look like they're plastic, is pallets for this, both over here. So this is compared to the regular Festool color. Just for reference, this is fairly common. I have an Irwin clamp and maybe a Lowe's bucket. So as you can see, they're a lot darker. Not that the color really matters, but just in case you're trying to see if this matches your woodworking apron or your eyes, then this is it. So that's about it for this one.